So, how do you make sure that you get the right washing machine for your organisation? At JLA, we provide critical equipment to over 25,000 different organisations.
From laundrettes to leisure cruises and from B&Bs to the biggest hotels, we have products that help businesses of all shapes and sizes succeed.
In this video, we'll dive into JLA's comprehensive range of washing machines, explaining all of the pros and cons of our range so you can get a clear understanding of how we can help and why we're the UK's leading supplier of commercial washers and dryers.
And don't forget, whatever product you choose from JLA, we're here to support you and your business whenever you need us. Our team of experts are available 24/7, 364 days a year over the phone.
And you're also supported by our network of JLA engineers who cover the whole country, so help is never far away.
And if you select JLA Total Care, you'll have one of our highly skilled engineers at your door within 8 working hours.
So let's dive in and take a closer look. Let's begin by taking a closer look at the JLA 98 commercial washing machines. The JLA 98 is one of our most popular machines. And for good reason. With its pre-programmed cycles, enhanced wash options, and instant door release, the JLA 98 is packed with the features that help our customers work efficiently and economically. The JLA 98 is a freestanding machine with a 9.5 kilogram capacity. Our latest version has bulked up and now provides an impressive 20% more capacity than its predecessor, the JLA 88. All whilst being more efficient with increased spin G-force, helping to reduce drying time. And even with the increased speed, size and power, the high specification build means this machine is quieter than ever, with less vibration. The 98 also ticks all the right boxes. RAS approved to the highest category, level 5. It's also WTL approved and complies with CQC requirements. The JLA 98 has a lot of great features that make it easy to use, such as pre-programmed cycles, enhanced wash options, and instant door release on completion. The machine's angled control panel makes it easy to select cycles. The JLA 98 offers low water consumption and a generous drum capacity, which translates into an, on average, 15% labour saving and less water used per kilogram. With stackable and coin-operated options available, we think the JLA 98 commercial washing machine is ideal for everyday, multi-load use and is perfect for venues such as housing, schools, intimate restaurants and small care homes. The JLA 98 allows you to do more in less time.
Designed to perform and built to last, our JLA 7 and 8 commercial washing machines provide exceptional wash quality while taking up minimal floor space. With a compact footprint but a large drum capacity of up to 8 kilograms, the JLA 7 and 8 come in 4 different models: the JLA 7U, 7P, 8P and the 8M. These great-looking machines feature a large door opening which make for easy loading and unloading. Compact, reliable and efficient, they're also incredibly easy to operate. The 7 and 8 washing machines are above all user-friendly, with useful functionality like the function stores for your most used cycles, as well as intuitive controls and light touch buttons. The washers are also energy efficient. The high G-force spin returns quicker drying times, whilst the double thermal insulated glass ensures maximum efficiency. Overall, this translates into 12% less water consumption than its predecessor, which means a reduced carbon footprint and lower utility costs for your business. The machines also feature our 3D washing system, which provides improved mechanical action, which is much kinder to fabrics and delivers optimal wash quality. What does this mean? Well, without getting too technical, the water is delivered into the drum through a scoop and drop mechanism. This ensures everything gets fully soaked. Then the drum design, which features a large concentration of small holes, kicks into action. This means quicker filling and faster draining. All our washing machines benefit from our superior build quality. The stainless steel tub and drum ensure durability and robust suspension for longevity of components and improved imbalance spins. The JLA 7 and 8 also comes with optional auto-dosing. Auto-dosing is our commercial laundry detergent dispenser, an automatic dosing pump specially designed for commercial washing machines, which will ensure you get the optimum measure of detergent in every wash. No more and no less than is needed for the best wash quality. To find out more about auto-dosing, watch the video we've created about it or get in touch.
We hope you found this overview useful so far. Now let's take a look at JLA Smart commercial washing machines. The JLA Smart range of washing machines come in a variety of sizes from 7 to 28 kilograms, perfect for a range of commercial settings. So why do we call the range Smart? Well, every smart washer comes packed full of our latest innovations, such as Smart Cycles, which is our unique absorption intelligence that delivers best-in-class water, energy and detergent consumption on every cycle. It means Smart's next generation drum design and suspension that enables 400 G-force during spinning. The result being greater water extraction and reduced drying times. Then there's the Smart Controls. Our intuitive controls are designed with simplicity in mind. Easy to use with programmable functions for repeat use. Smart washing machines are built to last with robust cabinets, high-spec components and industrial-grade durability. The machines also have self-preservation engineered in. Smart washing machines actually protect themselves against damage caused by spinning out of balance. If the drum feels itself moving out of sync with the machine, dynamic suspension and built-in load sensors pick up on the problem and slow down the drum to realign the spin and regain stability. All of these innovations aid the overall efficiency of the washer and can deliver up to 32% saving on utility costs. The Smart machines come with a range of setup options, including stackable and coin-operated solutions. Auto-dosing is also available. Watch the auto-dosing video to find out more about that. For businesses that need guaranteed disinfection cycles but want to save on utility costs, you can also fit your machine with our groundbreaking Otex Ozone disinfection system, which can disinfect at ambient temperatures. That pretty much wraps up our look at the Smart range of washing machines. The Smart machine is the result of continued refinement driven by customer feedback. By enhancing the proven features that have served tens of thousands of our customers well in the past, and adding value with eco-friendly innovations. We believe that the Smart washing machine range offers unbeatable efficiency, performance and reliability when it comes to commercial laundry.
We hope this commercial washing machine buying guide has shown you which machine is best for your needs.
But if you're still unsure which of our commercial washing machines is right for you, ask our UK sales team for advice.
Whatever you need, we'll take care of it. Thanks for watching.